Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Helm Hub login issues, repository access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Helm Hub, you're not alone. Let's walk through the steps to resolve repository access errors. First, confirm that you have the latest version of Helm installed. You can check this by running the command Helm version in your terminal. If you're using an outdated version, update it to ensure compatibility. Next, inspect your Helm configuration. Use the command Helm repo list to view the repositories currently configured. Look for any repositories that may have wrong URLs or other abnormalities. If you find any issues, you can remove the repository using Helm repo. Once removed, re-add the repository with the correct URL using the command Helm repo add repository name. Now, let's check your network connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and operational. Network issues can prevent successful authentication with Helm Hub. If you're using a proxy, verify your proxy settings and make adjustments if needed. Next, check your authentication credentials. If your repository requires authentication, ensure that the credentials are correct. You might need to set them using Helm Registry Login Repository URL. If you're still encountering issues, look at your /config/helm/directory. Corrupted configuration files can lead to login problems. Consider backing up and deleting the .config/helm/repositories.yaml file. Remember to reset your repositories afterward. Additionally, consult the repository's documentation for any specific login requirement. If you're still facing issues, reaching out to the repository's support or community forums may provide further assistance. Finally, document any steps you've taken during this process for future reference. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Helm Hub login issues and regain repository access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.